Welcome to Enjoy Nepal Treks. We have been providing our private tourist jeep for the Machhakhola since long time. We have a luxurious jeep. Let's see inside. This jeep has 7 people capacity, means 7 people can drive. This jeep we offer only for our foreigner clients, not for Nepalese people, because this is a private tourist jeep, not the local. We have been trying to provide our jeep in reasonable cost as much as possible since long time for our regular precious clients. While booking our jeep, private tourist jeep, we pick up you in the morning from your hotel and we drive to Machhakhola according to your time. Our jeep's driver are experienced for the Machhakhola drive because they have been driving to Machhakhola since a long time. That's why they know well about the driving route and clients, means we drive safely and comfortably to Machhakhola. We have not only one jeep, we have many jeeps. You can see here. This jeep is driving to Machhakhola from the Tsum Valley area. And our clients are here preparing for the Manaslu Trek. Many tourist clients have done with us Manaslu Trek, and we have been providing our jeeps to our clients regularly according to their needs. We have been providing not only the jeeps for Machhakhola, also we have been organizing Manaslu Trek, Tsum Valley Trek with our jeeps service, because we are trekking agencies also in Nepal and we have been organizing the treks with the jeep services. In Nepal, we have been organizing the treks since 2017 as a legal trekking agencies by providing the jeep services, vehicle services and the trekking. These photos are from the Larke Pass, which is in Manaslu Trek. Those are our clients and guides, Nepalese staffs. When you need private tourist jeep services from Kathmandu to Machhakhola, and when you need Manaslu Trek package, then you are welcome to Enjoy Nepal Treks. We are pleased to work with you according to your needs and according to your plans with our experienced guide. We work on your comfort. We work according to your needs. We work responsibly with safety because we are legal agencies in Nepal since 2017. If you need a jeep for Machhakhola or trekking organizer for Manaslu trekking, visit our website Enjoy Nepal Treks. Thanks for watching our video.